Hi, everyone. Welcome back. Another week, and we are getting to the end. There's this week, and then there's next week content, and then the following week is finals. Okay, so this week we are back in Europe, and we are looking at what is typically called the Middle Ages, which is an interesting term because they never really tell you what they're in the middle of. But we're going to explore how the Middle Ages as a period sort of got classified and labeled. And we will also begin looking at what is an important theme in the Middle Ages, which is, well, we've got Christianity, and we've got the rise of various kings and occasionally an emperor or two here in Europe. So what does that mean? Who's in charge? And the Middle Ages answers that in varying ways depending on what particular period. So this week we kind of explore the early Middle Ages where Christianity's just getting its little legs and it's pushing into what we would think of as some of the edges of Europe, say Scotland and Ireland up there in the north. And as it does so, it does something we've seen again and again when one culture with its own sort of ideas and assumptions wants to bring those to a pre-existing culture, there's a lot of give and take. For example, as Islam moved into various cultures, it borrowed, it brought, there was a mixture, and boom, you get Islamic architecture and art. Same thing with early medieval art. Christianity is going to come into Ireland and Scotland, for example. And there is a pre-existing artistic tradition there. And so Christianity has its own needs and its own ideas, and there's this pre-existing culture of metalwork and kind of intricate small scale art, and they're going to come together and they're going to make some incredibly beautiful books. Okay, so that's kind of what we're doing this week and next week, is looking at sort of what happens as Christianity and the political power structure, be it a king or an emperor or whatever, how they kind of vie for and work together and then sometimes work absolutely against one another, and what that means for art and architecture. Okay, folks, so that's it. Let's get started. Bye.